All right, everyone. Welcome to Money Machine Monday, where we're using the Money Machine to try to figure out what the best gaps are for me to watch going into the day. It's been an interesting tool, and the way that I'm using it currently, again, as it's going to be tested, as it's going to potentially be auto traded in the future. For now, we can use it to say, okay, I want to know stocks that are gapping in the morning, but not only which ones are gapping, but which ones are gapping and following through. So that's what I've been using it a lot of, and I just let it run. I went and got my tea. It's been running now for a couple minutes, and I can start to see the names that not only were gapping, but gapping and running. So this LEDS, it looks like it's on a daily chart, but let's go into a 10-minute chart or a 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's gapping and it's done some pushing up here. So this is one that I may put on the list. Also ADN, same thing. It's gapping up, but then also moving along with it. SPP, yeah, another one, gapping and running a little bit. And then to the downside, you can see the downside is underperforming, which is showing that a lot of these gap downs aren't really continuing. So what I need to focus on is maybe fading some of these gap downs, look for names that are gapping down and fading. And then on these ones that are gapping and continuing, these are the ones that I'm going to look going into today to see if they have a setup. So again, if you're interested in trying out any of this, link in the description below.